Okay, hi guys. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a platform that I've been using for quite some time, and I find that this platform is fantastic. I haven't done a lot of videos recently about recommendations or some talking about some of the stuff that I'm using in terms of marketing tools that I highly recommend, that kind of thing. But I wanted to do this video, and by the way, this I'm not sharing out any affiliate link of any kind, because I don't think there is an affiliate program. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't, but I think that this tool is so good that I just wanted to do a video review about this platform. And trust me, guys, I mean, I've seen so many different tools, and I, for one, I'm a very heavy user when it comes to needing to get content out there, as some of you may know. I on my YouTube channel, I'm always putting out video content on my channel. If I go to the, for example, the videos, as you can see, I'm just always uploading a lot of content on my YouTube channel. I could go on for ages, but, in my shorts as well, I'm always, putting out a lot of content on my channel. And also on my other social media platforms, a lot of video content. And of course, Instagram. Where are we? So, so as you can see on my Instagram, I'm putting out a lot of video content as well. So, the important thing for me is, I am a very heavy user. I am, getting content out there, whether it's your own content or whether it's, rehashed content that you want to strip so that you can get the clips, you can get shortened down versions of the videos, whether you're doing the content yourself or whether some content you've put out on YouTube or maybe somebody else's content. Obviously you have to be careful about what content you're putting out there, but even stuff from corporate, like LiveGood, bringing out these long webinar recordings, but there's some excellent training or some clips that you want to snip and use and turn into reels or turn into Instagram stories. I've come across a lot of different tools that allow me to do some fancy things. I mean, at the end of the day, you just got to get your head down and just get a lot of content out there. I'm just really passionate about the business opportunities that I'm a part of. Obviously, LiveGood being my #1 primary business, and I'm so focused. So getting content out there, simply because of my excitement, is something I do every single day. But I also have a life, so I want to use tools that are going to, slightly ease the whole process. And I've tried a lot of different tools. So today I want to talk about this tool that I've discovered. I mean, I've used this tool for a while now, but I did sort of drop off this tool a little bit because I tried some other tools, but have discovered, having tried so many different tools, I have found that this tool to be the best. Some tools just over complicate things than they sort of never ever needed to be, and then you end up trying to use some kind of fancy AI tool that edits stuff, and end up like doing spitting something out that's just completely unusable. But I found that this basically does the job a lot better than any other tool I've come across. So this platform is called vidyo.ai, or vidyo.ai. I don't believe there's any affiliate program attached to it, so you're not getting my link, and I'm not gonna be earning a commission out of you. But I just wanted to say that because I'm not just all about trying to pitch or trying to get earn money out of you. But obviously that's the industry we're in. But I wanted to share this as a piece of value on my channel because I think this tool is absolutely exceptional, with all the built-in aspects to it. So it sort of combines the need, I mean, it obviously is built by, whoever built the system. Obviously, whoever's behind the scenes creating this entire system is obviously someone who knows what marketers absolutely need, and it covers all the necessary jobs to speed up the process. It sort of combines AI technology you know, with you know, video and content creation, really in a fast way. It's very impressive. So here are some of the built-in features that it has. I mean, when you come to the screen in the beginning, you know, obviously you want to import your video. So imagine the scenario is that you've got a long video, you created your own video, or a video of somebody else's, or maybe a webinar recording, or maybe a live update Zoom call that, you know, has some really powerful like clips in there. But you can't obviously post a long video on social media because, you know, you've got limits, such as, you know, if it's going to be a reel, or if it's going to be like an Instagram or Facebook story, you've got a limit of like 1 minute max. So, you know, you want to, you know, grab maybe, you know, little snippets of the video, you know, where you're talking about some pretty powerful stuff. So, you know, you click the button, import video, and you've got a few options. You can either drag the video in, you've got a few other options like linking the video. You can even put a video from YouTube. Okay. Now this is sometimes a little bit buggy because of you know, that's because of YouTube, you know, the way that YouTube is. But you know, most of the time I can just put in a video URL here from YouTube, and boom, it imports. So you click the button, start import. It'll import the video. This came in exactly that way, and then once it comes in, it basically cuts out, and it does an incredibly good job at cutting out clips based on the transcript, because it does its own transcript for you, and it adds in the, you know, a nice transcript. You know, it does all the nice little elements and puts in a little template. It does it all automatically, so you can go through different parts of the video, because obviously in this case it's detected that there are two people talking in the video. So obviously the original video was of Ryan Goodkin and Lisa Goodkin talking side by side. But it sort of, because obviously, you know, typically with Instagram and Facebook, if you're going to be doing a short, it's done in portrait dimensions. So it's kind of this dimension. So it kind of automatically puts Lisa and Ryan up one above each other. So it's pretty clever like that, the way it does it. You know, but you've got other options like, you know, you can, you know, put in, you know, chapters and stuff like that, and you can even copy out the chapters, and you got the entire video. But you can even put in a, you know, you can see how the entire video works. So you can just go through. But you know, there is options for people who just want to slapdash this and go through and just you know, go with the way the software has automatically done it, and in most cases it does an incredible job with that. But there's also a little built-in editor, so you don't need to download, like other programs you need to download them and add them to an editor like Canva or something, but it has a built-in, you know, drag and drop editor. So I mean, you know, for example, if I go to the shorts or whatever, so you can click edit, and you got you know, you can edit things, you can you know, add things in there, you can change the location of your you know, what do you call it, the subtitles, and you can do a different template type on the subtitles. You can change the highlight. You can go into the editor, you can go into the font section, you can add emojis for the things there, and you can change the font, you can change the size and everything. So you've got a lot of options for that. You can go into elements and you can add in like a progress bar if you want to add in a progress bar. So when it plays, it has a little built-in nice little progress bar. You can change the color of the progress bar.
It's not what it used to be. It really aggravates.
So I'm not sure where there's the progress bar. You can change the location of the progress bar or whatever, change the color, whatever. And as it goes through the video, progress bar automatically change the size of it. You can make it I don't know actually what do you call it, the width, thickness of the progress bar. You can also add in a logo. You know, I've uploaded my own logos in here, so it's got different types of logos. I uploaded them myself. You can add in your own logo images. You can put in other social media stuff, but you can upload all the kinds of stuff. You can put in your own outros, and yeah, I haven't uploaded an outro. You know, you can put in other things, built-in stuff. You know, so You can put in your own images. I've already uploaded images and stuff that I've used in the past, in my past videos. I've got, you can put in videos. It's got stuff from the, built in, you can use. You've got audios for the background and stuff like that. And you've got, add in some backgrounds of your own or whatever. And you've also got AI descriptions. You can add in descriptions for different platforms. So you got that, and also, you've got, once you've added it to the download section, you can go to downloads. And the thing I love about this is, not only can you can download it, but you can also add in, for example, you can click share, and it opens up a little panel. And, if you've connected up your social media platforms like I have, you can, post it directly to your social media platforms. For example, this is TikTok. And then you got a little AI description creator, and it goes into the video text, from what's actually being spoken on the video, and it'll actually create a post based on what the content is. So you click that little button, and boom, it adds a nice little post, but it also puts in nice, hashtags and a few other options. You can also schedule the post. So it goes out and it has a built-in scheduler. That's something you would have to pay for elsewhere. And then, I see, other platforms that actually charge you quite a lot, monthly, quite a hefty monthly subscription just for that scheduling feature alone. But this does it automatically, and you've got other, options. So, for example, if you're on Twitter, you can actually click the AI and create a short version, because obviously, as we know, Twitter has limitations of up to 180 characters. So the AI system automatically detects that and will only put in what you need for the different platforms. Again, same with YouTube Shorts. You can create another description for YouTube Shorts. It's up to you. So it'll actually put whatever you need in there. Facebook, give it a little bit, longer maybe. LinkedIn. So you can either post immediately and just avoid using the scheduling tool, or you can just set up your when you want it to be scheduled, and it'll be added to the scheduler. And I'll just switch over to the scheduler now. Social media posts. So here, as you can see, I've got my future videos. They're going to be going out in the next couple of days. So I've got my whole, and there must be quite a few videos here going out in the next couple of days. That's all. You can still edit stuff, like edit the date and stuff like that. But this was going, these ones are going out on the 15th of November. These are going out on the 14th of November. But you can go on just scheduling. And you've got other options, like if you've created square versions of your videos, different square options. You've got landscape. If you've created any landscape videos, you can create longer videos. You don't have to create short videos. So maybe for YouTube, for example, you can have you've got a bulk downloader with that downloads your videos to in a zip file. And you've also got you can create your own brand kit. So I've got my logos uploaded. I haven't uploaded an outro, but I've got my color palette. It's kind of a LiveGood typical color palette. So when it's automatically deciding how to lay out the templates and stuff, it'll take consideration of what your favorite colors are for the LiveGood brand, that kind of thing. You can upload your own fonts if you want to. Add your own backgrounds. And some of your images that you've uploaded, and so on. It's got my own, some of my own audios that I've got permission to use. So as you can see, guys, it's a very impressive tool. Okay, it does all the post. It just grabs the video into the system. It'll snip it out all the best parts based on AI technology, what it thinks to be the best bits of information that are necessary, and it'll just split it up. into smaller videos. It'll wrap it up into a nice template. It'll use some of your branding. Okay, so you can set up your branding, your logos and stuff like that. It'll add that in there. You could even set up your own templates, and it'll use those templates if you want them to. And then, you know, you can set up when it posts, you can use the scheduling posting feature, so you can have all your content, you know, created at lightning speed, and then you can, you know, easily add it into the posting scheduler, so you can have a whole week's worth, you know, all set up within minutes of posting, while you do your, you know, whatever you're doing in your private life, you know, and that, you know, you can rest assured that the system is posting on your behalf. And it even writes out the post using AI technology, adds in nice emojis, you know, adds in, you know, hashtags. So, you know, it's going to help you to boost your channels. And, you know, obviously you can download the stuff as well if you want to. But, you know, by familiarizing yourself with this tool, I think it's going to really save people a lot. So anyway, I just thought I'd recommend this. There's no affiliate program to it, and I thought I'd share out a good tool. Hope you like it. I think it's great. I like it a lot. So, you know, enjoy. All right. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching, and hope you like the tool. All right. Bye for now.